Okay. So already on part 1 is completed. Now go for part 2. So now already part body is completed. Now go for a screw spindle. These are the dimensions of screw spindle. First, the total length is 240 mm. So draw, open clear parametric, choose plane, select sketch option, go for sketch view, line. So line length is 240, total length is 240, do OK, and generate a line. The line distance is 38. I have to draw half section, so 38 divided by 2, 19. Then I have to draw a line. So the line distance is, the total distance is 240. Now I draw a line up to this point. So 240 minus 83. Distance is 240 minus 83. Do OK. Then I have to draw this point to this line. Okay. Now draw a line. The line distance is the center part to this part. So total distance is 65. This point to this point. 65 divided by 2. So 32.5. And then draw a line. So the line distance is 83. $35, another arc is 35. So total distance is 70. So draw a line. Distance is 70. Then draw a line. The distance is 22. So distance is 11. And draw a line. Connect this point. The profile is created. Then go for revolve option. Choose the center. The part is created. Give OK. Now the portion is chamfered. Chamfered mm is 10. So go for chamfer option. Click it. The value is 10. And bottom, the chamfer value is 10. Give OK. And bottom value is 3. Chamfer value is 3. Give OK. In that image, I want to show the center on hole is there. Hole diameter is 12. and hole depth is up to 25 mm. Select holes option, select this surface and placement. I have to choose the reference point. This one is the reference, this one is the reference, and diameter is 12. Fix it to center 0, value is 0. It automatically placed in center position, and this length is up to 25. So extended up to 25. So give value is 25. Okay, and with the shape counter neck, so give OK. The holes is created. Then in center one hole is there. So diameter is 12. So choose the plane, select sketch, go to sketch view. Diameter is 12 and the length is 240 minus 83 plus 35. 240 minus 83 plus 35. Total distance is 193, 192, and we go for OK. Extrude. So extrude out both sides. So select extrude on both sides. Up to last, give OK. Now the part is completed. Screw spindle. Next video I have to see the tummy bar special washer. Thank you.